kill him. Oh, you need help? Oh no. Pick it up! Pick it up!
Yeah. Couldn't get there in time.
Damn, I didn't hear you. Literally playing a champ that's an auto attack champ. But they just put a fucking pillar. Hey, Trundle's coming down, dude. Trundle's coming down.
God,
Trundle's
dang,
coming down.
Okay, I'm coming up to you, Garrison.
Trundle's coming down.
Nice job. Let's leave. Oh, I got a blue! Oh, jeez. I'm gonna die here. Oh, shoot, that's my bad.
Wish you would have ran to me.
Pick it up, please. Just pick up your stuff, man. You have to pick up your buckle. God dang, you taking it? Oh my god.
You said you just got one. Can you wall?
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay. Just run, just run.
Ah,
just
come
control.
on. Someone kill that guy, thank you.
She's gonna ult me.
Flashes.
Oh, I got her. Okay. Did I stun both of them?
Alright, everyone.
Yeah.
I got a fresh blue buff.
Did you get a fresh blue? Yeah. What a trade. That thing went to so many people.
What? You think we can Baron?
Not just me and you, no.
You sure? Let's try, let's try.
We can try.
I don't know if there's vision. Oh. Pick up your buckle, please. You played the champ
I forget
before?
about the buckle, dude.
Dude,
I forget
it's like
about
important about the champ, man. Like, buckle. See, we wouldn't have been able to do it if you didn't pick up your buckle.
I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna kill this whole fucking team by myself.
We got Baron. What do you mean?